Good morning, everyone. Dear students, today we are here to discuss some of the basic concepts of the organic photochemistry and pericyclic reactions, which is the part of the syllabus of MSc2 Organic Chemistry 3rd Sem. Myself, Dr. Anju Khullar, Head PG Department of Chemistry, Khalsa College, Patiala. So let us see the main topic, which are the basic need for the principle of the photochemistry, including absorption of light, electronic excitation, Jablonski diagram, types of excitation, etc. We will discuss one by one these. First of all, we come on the point absorption of light. As we know that photochemistry begins with the absorption of light in the range of 180 to 800 nanometer, that is from 1800 to 8000 angstrom. Region of spectrum is generally termed as ultraviolet light. The fraction of the light absorbed I naught is given by the Lambert-Beer law. The molar extinction coefficient is the property of the individual compound and the measures of the absorptivity. And benzophenone and 1,3-butadiene are the general examples used for this purpose. It is only because of the presence of the conjugated double bonds in these species. Now, we will see on the Lambert-Beer law. According to Lambert-Beer law, the absorbance is equal to log I naught is equal to epsilon into concentration into length. In this formula, capital A is the absorbance, I naught is the intensity of light before entering sample, I is the intensity of light passing through the sample, and C is the concentration in moles per liter, L is equal to the path length of light through the sample in centimeters, and epsilon is the molar extinction coefficient. This is the base of the photochemistry. And about the electronic transition, as we know that electronic transition including induced by the absorption of light. And Frank-Cordon principle tells us that the quantum of light will occur rapidly, even with respect to the molecular vibrations. And transitions from the ground state of may terminate in any of several vibrations of the excited state. In short, we can say delta E is equal to H into nu. And next topic is Jablonski diagram. It is one of the most important topic of the photochemistry, and Jablonski diagram is necessary to understand the concept of spin multiplicity. Ordinary organic molecules have an even number of electrons. In ground state, most of the organic molecules have all electrons paired are called as singlet state, and the singlet state may undergo spin inversion, giving a new excited state with two unpaired electrons, and the molecular state with two unpaired electrons are called the triplet state. In this diagram, we will explain some more things. The free radicals that have an unpaired electron gives rise to two energy levels in a magnetic field, therefore known as the doublet state. And spin forbidden transitions between the excited singlet and the triplet state is known as intersystem crossing, which occurs in many of the molecules. Electronic transition between the state of the same multiplicity, singlet to singlet and triplet to triplet, is also quite possible. And electronic transition between the state of different multiplicity, singlet to triplet and triplet to singlet, is very common. And spin forbidden transition between the singlet and the triplet state is most of the common conversion in the photochemical process. Now, next we will see about the Jablonski diagram. This is a single diagram which explain about the absorption of light, interconversion, intersystem crossing, fluorescence and the phosphorescence. These are the most of the important topics to clear the basics of the photochemistry. We will discuss these all topics one by one in my next video. Thank you.